Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Leos. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy. So these are for your daily energy, Leos. This is for your career situation, and this is for your relationship, guys. Before we start the reading, guys, I would like to thank you all for your great support and your positive comments for the videos, guys. So we will start with the daily energy, Leos. We will turn the cards now. Queen of Wands in reverse, Four of Wands, and Three of Swords. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are celebrating something, some initial success. Maybe it may be work related success or in your personal life. So something has happened up to your expectation and you are happy for it and you are celebrating that today. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, in certain situations, maybe in your personal life or in your career, you may feel that you are doing all that work. Maybe, guys, for some of you, it may be success in your career and some kind of stressful situation in your relationship, or it may be positive changes in your relationship and some kind of stressful situation in your career, guys. So that is what we see, guys. So something is going good in your career situation and certain things are stressful in your personal life, or it may be some kind of success in your personal life and you are seeing some stressful situations in your career. So you see that people are not helping you. You don't have anyone, some kind of loneliness and a sense of separation in your situation, Leos. That is what I see. And if it is in your career, you may feel that you are the only one who is responsible in your situation. There is no one helping you or guiding you in your position today in your work. So that teamwork is not there and you really feel stressed because of that. And it may be in your career or your personal life, there are some people who are really jealous of you, maybe of your skills, your abilities, and how you handle your situation. So they are very jealous of you. They are trying to compete with you and they are opposing you in some ways. It may not be a direct opposition, maybe it may be direct. For some of you, they may come to ready to argue with you or fight with you, or if they are posing as some friend, they are jealous, guys. So you have to be really careful about these people. So some friend or some family member, they are really jealous and they are competing with you, they are working against you. So you have to be aware of those people, whoever it is, and if you feel that you cannot rely on that person, you have to be really careful with them. That is what I see, Leos, with these cards. And though you are seeing success in certain paths, certain choices that you need to make, you are unable to pursue that because of these people. They are creating obstacles, or they are trying to stand as as someone opposing that choice. So that is also what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energy. Let us see what is the card for your career situation, Leos. It's Six of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, you have you are afraid of some outcomes, maybe the results whatever you are getting for your work. So that expected results, it may not be according to your expectations. So something is worrying you, guys. That is what I see. So some kind of stressful situation in your career, these obstacles or these people working against you, that may be the reason for this stressful situation in your career. And you feel that you are the only one who is responsible, and all that burden is right on your shoulders, and that is the reason you have apprehension about the results whatever you are expecting. Maybe just maybe for some of you, maybe some projects or some creative ventures whatever got suspended or whatever was delaying, all that may begin, guys, move towards a positive beginning. That is also what I see with this card. So what is the card for your relationship, Leo? So we will turn that card now. It's Seven of Swords. So with this card here, guys, in your connection, in your relationship, this person may be trying to use you, guys, use you for your abilities and skills. And maybe for some of you, they may also be trying to rob you of your efforts, or it may be literally in the physical sense, maybe someone from your friends circle, maybe family, they are trying to steal from you and make use of your efforts or skills in some way. You have to be really careful, Leos. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you just want to escape from responsibilities. Maybe in this connection, maybe with this person, you are taking care of them and you are the only person who is responsible in this connection. You are taking care of everything and you are sick and tired of it, maybe, guys. So you just want to run away from the situation. That is also what I see with this card. So this person is not reliable, they are not trustworthy, they are not responsible in this connection. So that is the reason you just want to drop everything and just go away from them. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.